everybody, welcome to my channel. Yes, it is time for another Temu haul, and you're like, Jennifer, what is today's haul? Well, today's haul is outdoor items. It is becoming spring. It is almost summer. My kids want to be outside all the time, and I have stuff to do, but I also love to relax, so I'm here to share with you guys what I got with Temu. So if you are new to my channel or you are new to Temu, I want to share with you guys everything that you guys could possibly use possibly outside. I got some kids stuff, I got some adult stuff, and I'm pretty excited to share with you guys. But if you are new to Temu and you've never used it before and you're like, okay, I actually have a code for you. So if you see everything that I got or anything in my videos that I have, you can use the code PICK8323 and you guys can get an additional 30% off your order for everything that you purchase. It is free shipping, and they usually take, you know, they can come pretty fast. It could take about a week and a half or maybe a bit longer. So if you guys are having problems, give them a little chance, but they do have really good customer service, and if anything happens, they explain it to you, but they really like give you more updates when you have anything that you need to ship. So the first item that I got, I am so excited for you guys. It is a hammock. It is a hammock. So this was $11.97. Now keep in mind, everything I share with you guys today may or may not be the price that it is when you watch this. It does fluctuate, but sometimes it's cheaper, sometimes it's not. It's all different, but I am super excited to share with you guys with this. So I ended up wanting a inflatable air mattress or hammock. I can show you guys what it does. So basically what you do, and you open the bag up. I'm not going to open it up because it's kind of hard, but this is the carrying case that it comes with. And then there is, I feel like some metal in here. Or is that the, okay, that is not the metal. Yeah. There is something like hard or plastic in here. I think it's to snap it shut. I don't understand how to do it, but I will show you guys a picture if you guys want. But I'm pretty excited. So what you do is, like, you open it up and then you take the air and you kind of drag it in, and then you got to zip it shut and then you seal it shut. None of the, it says 99% think the reason for the leak is the seal is not rolled up. Please read carefully. I can't read carefully because it's not in English, but I will try to figure it out. But I'm super excited for this. Like, we have a hammock in our front yard and it's kind of hard to move. But I was thinking I could take this when the kids go somewhere, like if they want to go to a beach. I can always just sit and read my book while I'm sitting there in the hammock. I can just sit there and relax. This is a perfect item to travel with. Like, we're going to go on a road trip. We can always take it with us or take it in your suitcase. But I'm super excited for that. I'm hoping it works, and if I get a chance, I will try to do a review or something like that to show you guys that. I think I should because everything is different on that. But yes, we got ourselves a little hammock. I also requested to get an inflatable pillow just to keep my head more propped up, but I didn't receive that, which is totally fine. I can just use a regular pillow. Now this is something that I got one last time, and I'm like, I want a little bit more. So these are Happy Water Bombs. These were $10.97. So what they are is, they are water balloons that you can reuse over and over and over again. I'm sick of water balloons at my house because my kids will pop them and then they just let them sit there, and it's bad for the environment. But these are magnetic little water balloons. I mean, they feel like they feel kind of weird, just saying. But what you do is you just put them in the water. I think you could just drop them in the water, and I think they instantly seal. Like right here, you got this, and then just bam, and then now it's like airtight. It's airtight, and then the magnet will let loose. So then basically the kids can just take a water balloon, drop it in the water, pick it up, and instantly get it. Now this was a 6-pack. I think it's a 6-pack. Yeah, it's a 6-pack. But I'm pretty excited. Reusable, super easy to go. I'm hoping the kids don't pop them. But I mean, look at, okay, see how flat it is right here? We're gonna open it up with the magnets, okay? We're gonna get that air in it. Make it all nice and poofy. And look at, airtight. I'm like squeezing it like a hamburger. But these are gonna be super cool. And then you can just throw it, and I think they just go BAM! Like that. So I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty excited for these. And if these are a hit, I'm definitely buying more because these will be cheaper down the road than regular water balloons. And I don't have to pick up all the messes up and everything. So that is a great item if you guys need to get stuff for the kids for something to do this summer or an easy thing to do in the pool, which we got that. Now this, you're like, what is this? This is a sand bucket or a bucket. So this was $1.68 for this. I thought we're going to a beach sometime soon and the kids are always playing in the water and it's hard to bring a bucket with you, but I thought this would be something super cute because it flattens. So you got your little handle, it twists like that. I mean, it's a little thing, but this is perfect for the kids to have with us. And then you just dry it out and then you just flap it right down and it's super easy to pack. But like, look at that. A little bucket for the kids to play either with water or sand or however they want to do it. And these come in different little colors, but I thought this was great. And for $1.68, you can't go wrong with that. The handle actually seems pretty durable. I mean, I've had worse handles, but I mean, look at that for $1.68. Perfect product for the kids to have this summer. Now, we go for a lot of walks. And we're always bringing our water bottle, and we're always fighting, like, who's going to hold the water bottle? I'm sick of holding the water bottle. So I ended up getting this. Now, this is a portable water cup bag. This was $2.58. There is a ton of colors to choose from, but I thought this would be super cute to have while we're walking around, like going up for a hike, and I don't have to carry it with me. We don't have to listen to people fighting. I can use it as a shoulder bag or I can use it as a crossover, but it's just a regular nylon bag. And it does fit like a pretty decent size bottle. I know it'll fit my tumblers that I have. And then it also has a little button with a little pouch, so in case you need to put a snack or another like drink or something in there. But I thought this is something perfect for us. And I had to get purple because it's purple, but I'm like, this is super cute, and it actually feels like it's a decent quality. So this is something I'm definitely going to take when we go on like little family walks and stuff, so I don't have to carry the water bottle. I can just carry it on my shoulder like a purse, so perfect for that. Now, if you guys know me, like I've been talking about, I've been loving to read. I've been loving to sit in the sun while the kids play. I just kind of been watching them or having them sit in their bike, and I'll just sit in my hammock. But the thing is, the sun. The sun is driving me crazy because I'm always like trying to read like this. Now, this is a hat that I thought would be perfect for me. This was $3.37. And I thought, we're going to get a hat. We're going to try it out. And if I have to take this on vacation while we're just chilling, I'm going to get it. So I ended up getting myself a little hat. I thought this would be super cute to have. It doesn't smell the greatest, but I'll probably end up airing it out. But it does have a brim where it is kind of bendable. I mean, it is very bendable, so you guys can have it however you want. But I thought, it doesn't, I have a big head, so it doesn't fit my head very well, but this is like perfect for me. So if I'm reading, I can read it and not have the sun in my eyes. But I like it for $3.37. It's snug, and then I like it how it's bendable. Like you can bend it however you want to do it. But yeah, perfect. This is perfect for me. And then if you want to flip it inside out, you could have it this nice beige color too, but I always like wearing black, so got that to wear. Now, I've been wanting something like this for years now. I've always wanted to get a lot of bird feeders for my house, but I thought this would be something cool to put on my patio door, maybe, or my window right near my patio door. But this is a bird feeder that has has suction cups on it. It is $5.68. So what you would do is you got your little acrylic bird feeder. You got 3 suction cups, so you just put them right there. You put your bird seed in, and then you could actually stand right next to the window watching the birds eat their food. And I thought that'd be super cute. You know, this is something I wish I got when my cat was alive, because she loved bird watching, and I know she'd be like, because that's what she used to do when birds were in the backyard, and I'm just like, oh, Paris. But yeah, something like this would be super cute to have in my window in the backyard. And then once I get, you know, that, then I can get more birdhouses and stuff. And I should look for more birdhouses, but this is perfect for $5.68. Yes. Who doesn't love bubbles? Okay, my kids are obsessed with bubbles. They're obsessed with anything that shoots out bubbles. I had to get this. Now there is a ton of this stuff online. It's hard to choose from. So this was $4.89. Now I'm gonna tell you guys this is very light. It is a very light one, but you are supposed to have, you dip your little thing in this little bubble thing, and it's supposed to be like a gazillion bubbles that come out. It is battery operated. There's no batteries in here. I'm assuming it takes 2 AA batteries, but you just put your the thing, and we will see how it goes. But yeah, I might do a review on how well this does. Like, I know a lot of you guys kind of like some of the stuff that I do get from Temu, so I definitely want to share with you guys reviews and my opinions on that stuff. But this seems very simple. We'll see how long it goes, but I mean, for $5, it's decent. And my kids love bubbles. Now we're just gonna see who gets to use it first. It'll be me. It'll be me, because then there would be no fighting. But yeah, can't go wrong with that. And I got a couple more things to share with you guys on that. So like I said, vacation, I wanted to get like a little bit of a cooler to have that we can fold, and when we go on a suitcase, we're going up to California this summer, and we're going somewhere where we don't have like access to, like, we can't bring our cooler with us, and I wanted something that would be easily foldable so we could bring it with us when we're like out on about, and you know, just see how well it does. I like the folding stuff that we can pack easily. So this was $1.88, and this is an insulated lunch box. Now it is kind of little bit chintzy in here, but maybe this, I mean, with this silver lining inside, it might help. But I thought these would be cool for have like snacks if I have some candy, so it doesn't melt in the direct heat. Like, I will have like ice. I usually bring like baggies with me, and then I ziplock them shut to make sure we have like ice packs. So I thought this is something cool. I don't know how well it'll hold up, but for $1.88, I thought I'd give it a try. And one thing I just like about it is it's an easy foldable thing. For $1.88, you can't go wrong with that. And then I ended up getting something a little bit bigger. This was $4.28. This is considered a big, they called it a cooler. But again, I got it to bring with us when we go, so we don't have to bring a cooler with us. We can have it, you know, for that. So it's a little bit of a bigger cooler. Again, I don't know how well it works, but you know, I'll test it before we leave on our trip. But I thought something just kind of keep like sandwiches, or I mean not sandwiches, but if we have leftover food, if we went to go somewhere to eat and we didn't eat all of our food, you can't like let it sit in the hot summer car. So I thought just something like this would be perfect for us to have, or to have drinks and stuff. So I just got a larger one just in case. Like, we sometimes get pizza and then we eat it back at our hotel room. So got that, but that was like $4.89, or was it? I don't remember what it was. I threw the thing away. It was $4.28 for that. And then I got one more thing that I'm gonna see how long it lasts. But this is called a jelly balloon ball. It inflates up to 5 times its size. Now this one was the small or medium one, but this was $2.57. So what you do is, I don't even know how you blow it up. Oh, there's a little, you're supposed to blow it with your mouth, apparently. You take a syringe and put air in it, apparently. So you put a syringe in here, and then it's supposed to like blow up like really big. I thought that's kind of cool, and then you can kind of do this. They have ones that are like super huge. So this one shows like little girl, it's like kind of the size of a regular ball. But they have ones that are like twice the size of kids. I thought that would be cool. It was a little too expensive, and I thought my kids would pop it within seconds. But if you guys get that, let me know. I would love to try it. But I thought we're going to try this out. We'll try it out. We'll see. We'll see how well it goes, but I am pretty excited to share with that. And it is a very thick material, so we'll have to definitely try that out. So that was everything that I got for outdoor family items that you guys could definitely try out. Like I said, if you are new to Temu and you guys want to get any of the items that I have, you can use my code to get 30% off. That is PICK, P-I-C-K 8323, and you guys can definitely get 30% off, and you can definitely check out all my videos before you order anything and see if all that stuff. But I've been really excited. I put a lot of thought in the stuff that I get. Like, I just don't want everything. Some of the prices are super good, but everything that I've been using so far, I'm pretty happy with. So again, give this video a great big thumbs up if you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next haul. See you later. Bye-bye.